In a world of constant change, the future of global finance is being shaped right now, and the voices that matter most need a dedicated space to connect, collaborate, and define that future. Welcome to the Policy Lab, a brand new, by invitation only forum designed to encourage public-private dialogue. Held during Sibos week in Frankfurt, this isn't just any other conference track. It's a focused, 2-day deep dive into some of the world's most pressing issues impacting global financial markets. There will be a mix of closed-door sessions with your peers in policy and opportunities to engage with leading bankers and fintech innovators during select open panels and networking breaks. Our targeted agenda addresses today's crucial policy imperatives, from renewed focus on market resilience and capital market reforms, to the interoperability of traditional and decentralized finance, and the evolving governance needs for responsible innovation. This inaugural Policy Lab at Sibos Frankfurt underscores the critical role of policymakers in shaping what's next. By embedding this forum within the event, we are enabling that conversation to ensure that next-generation regulatory frameworks are robust, interoperable, and innovation-friendly. Be there for keynote insights from thought leaders, expert panels exploring real-world case studies, and interactive workshops and networking sessions. Join us to define the next frontier of financial policy and help us shape the future together at the Policy Lab.